Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around, oh man, I am super duper excited for what's inside this box. I've been waiting for this for almost a month. It actually came in a little earlier than what it was scheduled to, and it feels like Christmas, guys. This is just, ooh, this is amazing. Anyways, I'm so excited. This right here is Sony's latest mirrorless camera, a7 IV. The a7 IV is here, and it's gonna be my main wedding camera. This video is the unboxing of this beauty. Once again, we'll do the unboxing, we'll do on the couch, which is the first look and first impressions, and then a off the couch review, which I'm pretty much gonna use it in our first wedding. Well, actually on next wedding, because we already did a wedding this year. On our next wedding coming out soon. So yeah, how about we open this baby up? Here we go. Oh Lord Jesus, thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Can't believe it is here. Okay, top. Oh, front. I'm so excited. Side. Full frame. 35mm sensor. a7iv 4. That's the other side. And this is the bottom. Supply accessories, adapter, rechargeable battery, USB Type-C cable, and shoulder strap. That's what's inside the box, and that's the bag. Oh man, this is amazing. Okay, so obviously you get your manual and additional information. Some lenses information, yeah, lenses, flashes, microphones, grips, etc. You get your, so register your product for a chance to win a $1,000 Visa card. Limited warranty, US and Canada. It's covered for 1 year. Okay, so there might be some error on the cards that you might be using. So these are some of the cards that might need to be replaced. Just keep that in mind, guys. Please read your instructions. You know, this is some important information. Anyways, please do some research on that if you own any of those SD cards or CF cards. And what's this? Okay, what's this? Oh, this is different languages. Okay, this is a startup guide. You could use the QR code, get your manual, your prep, how to charge, some notes, some useful information. Don't forget to either read your manual or watch a bunch of videos regarding the setup and the user guide to best utilize this camera. We have, I assume this is the cable. USB-C. One thing that I noticed Sony started doing with a bunch of their products is that they are using recycled material, and I believe, for what I see here, this is also recycled material. That is impressive. Kudos to you, Sony. We got a shoulder strap, which I've never used anymore since I got my Hola, the strap. Let me show you the strap that I use, guys. Big shout out. I hope it's Koiro or Koiro. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is the one I use. Since I bought this, I haven't used any camera straps. Anyways, yep, fantastic. We also have, it actually includes the charging brick. Fantastic. Great. Some cameras are not bringing the brick for some reason. I'm just very thankful this one does. But this is probably gonna stay here because I already have a few of them. Now this feels like a Z battery. Oh, there it is. This battery is fantastic. And this feels like a recycled material as well. What's next? What's next? Okay. Alright, let me pull this out. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, look at that baby. Hello, dear. It feels so light. Grip feels good. Oh, this is the best right here. Ho, 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 ho. That right there is just fantastic. The power to jump between settings. It's just... oh, this is amazing. No. How about manual? There you go. You get... oh yeah. I love this. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Fantastic. This is great. You don't get the... oh, look at this. Flippy screen. Which is gonna be amazing to protect the... this actually is pretty good because it's gonna protect the screen. That's dope. We got tiny door for audio. Then we got headphone jack. Then we have charging ports. Then we have the HDMI, full size HDMI connection, which is fantastic. And then we have, ooh, what is this? Oh, wow, that's new. So you gotta pull down and open. Okay, that's fantastic. This is great. To be honest, it's just really amazing. Alright friends, well, this is the camera. Is this even charged? Let's see if it's charged or not. Okay, we're turning it on for this first time. Oh, I gotta do the setup. Never mind. I gotta get used to the flippy screen. Well, what do you guys think about this camera? This baby, look, it's just amazing. What can I say? It's just a fantastic camera. I'm super excited to test it out, to try it, to take so many photos on it, to do all my weddings with this tool. I'm just really excited. Ooh, thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like content like this. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts and what you think about this camera on the comments below. Make sure to leave those comments. I would love to read them and even have a discussion regarding cameras and gear and whatever. Also, don't forget to share this video, like. Also, if you want to suggest a specific product you want us to try, put it in the comments below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.